Good morning, guys. So, dito ang church. And right now, we're going to Kananan. And this is hagdana. That is the pathway, main pathway. That is the main pathway. And here, sa right side, is mga karinderya na, guys. And this is the main cafeteria sa MVC. Daghan kayo, guys. Hantik tao. Hantik tao, guys. Inig-anhin ni mo ni mga first nga cafeteria makitaan. Oh. Mountain View College mini grocery store. Agad ko, guys. Tugnaw kayo, guys. Time check. Hindi man ako ma-time check. 6:20. 6:20. Napos sila charging station. Saan ka ginag-charging? The second store na ta, guys. Sila itlog. Tray sa itlog. Ay, guys. There's a beautiful one. Kani. This is binaki. Isa steak bread, guys. Dago kayo. Puno na niya ako cellphone run. This is the third one. Third one. Stop sa to, guys. Kay para maabot sa among Kananan. Oh, this is here's the Jackie. Nasa like maestri, guys. Hi, morning. And this is karinderya food. This is karinderya. Lami kilang sudan. Lami kilang sudan, guys. But mga meron sa vegan. Na vegan ako this week. Vegetarian di ay. And here's the fourth one. Ito tawag nila dito. AMCV Food Court. Korean corner. Napoy Kananan sa. Finally, we are here sa Kananan. Ika-5. Ika-5 siya, guys. Ito po saan ba? Turaya ngalan. Abigail Basket of Health, Food and Services and Wellspring Seventh Adventist Church. Cooking oil free, MSG free, sugar free, dairy free, everything is natural. Yan lang mga food product, guys, na mga healthy. Ano to silang menu later.